Hey, what's going on, folks? Happy Sunday, happy Easter. I'm glad you joined my live today. I hope you're having a fantastic Easter, okay? I hope you and your family are doing great. And on times like this where people are feeling rejuvenation, they're feeling like, something is new, it's time to start thinking about your financial situation. I'll tell you that. If you own a business or you're thinking about starting a business, now is probably the best time to get out there and figure out how you can finance your dreams, okay? Thinking about becoming a financial services broker is for those that can actually help other people achieve their dreams by getting the financing that they need to get after what it is they're thinking about doing, what ideas they have for that matter. So when you join this live, I'm hoping to answer some of your questions that you may have about this unique opportunity that I've been learning things about. And I wanted to share with you the goals that I have, not just for myself, but for you to sign up to be a financial services broker. I'm also going to go ahead and talk about some of the loan opportunities that are part of this program if you do decide to take advantage of their services, okay? On my previous post that I just did, I just went through and told you how I found this program. Hey, one third ladder, appreciate welcome. Kelly, welcome. If you join this live right now, do me a quick favor, tap the like button, okay? And then if you can share it, that would be great. I really appreciate you sharing that too, because again, we wanted to make sure everybody is enjoying their holiday, and also we want to make sure people are actually ready to make that change, either by becoming a financial services broker or taking advantage of the services with this stuff, okay? So do me one quick favor, tap the like screen, the screen like that. If you type it, it'll give me some stained likes, and that would also enable me to just go ahead and start talking about this program. Sorry about that. I'm trying to make sure my my phone is, is well. There you go. So I don't have to like touch it as we're going live, but I'll be engaging. Jeff P. Travis, appreciate you for joining. Hey, ask me any questions you may have. Tap the screen, share this live. It's going to be for selected individuals that are looking to maybe level up with their finances. For example, I have it right now where you can join the Freedom Path Challenge, okay? Where for $1, you can start your own business. You can start your own FinTech business, okay? Within 14 days, okay? So now that will allow you and enable you to check out risk-free this financial services broker opportunity. Now, I'm calling it an opportunity. Gorman, welcome. Gino, Alex, welcome. All right. Right now, I'm not inviting anybody to join, but I will think about that later. Alpha, H2R, appreciate you joining. Do me that quick favor. Can y'all do me? Kelly Jenkins, Donald Green, welcome. Happy Easter, everybody. If you're celebrating Easter, if that's not your thing, I understand also. But I'm trying to say we are all going to level up today. If you're joining this live, it's an accountability live to help you join this 14-day Freedom Financial Challenge, okay? So for $1, you can join this opportunity, okay? And try it risk-free for 14 days. That's what I'm doing right now, okay? So I paid $1, I joined the opportunity, and I'm saying, hey man, start sharing this stuff. Tell more people about this opportunity, okay? So once I start getting them, I get up to 100 likes like this, I'm gonna start talking about it. But you gotta have to be sustained. Don't come out here and hang out, because this is not a hangout, okay? If you're looking and seriously level up with yourself, do me that quick favor and get me the sustained likes, the hearts. Tom, welcome aboard. Donald Green, the second, welcome aboard. Okay, so I'm going to start talking only after the likes start going up. Yep. I'm be tapping. Go ahead, tap the screen. You do tap, just tap it and share it. Tap the screen, share it. Okay. I'm going to give you a little tidbit of one of the programs that this particular financial services broker opportunity does happen. And have you guys heard about what's called working capital loans? Okay, so there's unique benefits for working capital loans. You get a 10 million maximum amount cash flow based approvals, same day funding is available, 6 to 24 months terms are available, daily, weekly, monthly payments available, early payoff discounts available. Here are the minimum qualifications for working capital loans. Okay, I'm not guaranteeing anything. I'm just sharing what the program has. If you're interested, you can DM me or you can click on the sign up button in my profile. Just tap my button and you can see the first tab that says sign up. Go ahead and hit it. Okay. Gringo Mob, join. Appreciate you. Okay. Wanda, join again. If you're joining this live, it's for select people that want to level up with themselves and join the Freedom Financial Challenge, where for 14 days, you can join and own your own FinTech business for $1. I don't know where you're going to see something like this, but again, I just shared working capital loans, okay? I'm going to share another program that's within this particular challenge that you can start helping people with, okay? So if you're a business owner, have you heard of what's called accounts receivable line of credit? If you haven't heard about that, let me tell you some of the benefits of it. So a facility size of $100,000 to $100 million, revolving line of credit, it fluctuates as the account receivable fluctuates. So fluctuation means up and down, right? Rates starting at prime plus 2% up to 95% financing of your current account receivable. Okay, 7 days application to funding. Minimum qualification, 1 year time in business. No minimum FICO. I'm gonna repeat that. No minimum FICO. 1 million in annual sales. 100,000 plus in accounts receivable on short terms. So that's one of the second program I just talked about. I talked about working capital loans. Okay, here are the industries: manufacturing, staffing, wholesale distribution, energy, and technology. Okay, again, tap the screen. Tap the screen. Welcome to my live. Life is select individuals that are looking to level up. Again, the sign up to this program where you can join for $1, 14 days, risk-free, is somewhere in the description of this video. It could be there, or you can tap my screen twice and go get it, okay? All right. So who's ready to level up? Because if you have any questions, go ahead and you can DM me with your questions, and I will answer that for you, all right? Welcome, Husky Dad. What's going on? Okay, so this next program right here, that's part of this financial services broker, is called a syndicated line of credit, okay? Syndicated line of credit. The industries for these are startup businesses, e-commerce, real estate, food and beverage, and home-based businesses. That's pretty much people like you, like me. I'm a home-based business, okay? And I also have, my office. But I'm talking to you right from my home office right now, talking to you about this opportunity. Okay, let's talk about the unique benefits of syndicated lines of credit. Personal credit based, no time in business or revenue requirements, 18 to 24 months at 0% interest, 2% to 5% minimum payment amounts on usage, check and card access to funds, liquidation assistance is available, up to $250,000 in funding, startup eligible. I'm going to repeat. Startup eligible. So if you have an idea and you're thinking, hey, how can I do this with this idea that I have? Syndicated line of credit might be your best option. Again, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to get approved. I'm just saying, if you're interested, tap the sign up link that's in my profile. Double tap my profile. Go in there. You're going to see where it says sign up tab. Go in there and just say you want to sign up. And I will send you more information. Again, remember, you can join, I'm going to repeat this, risk-free for 14 days with $1. And after that, it's $129 initial sign-up fee plus $49 per month recurring, okay? It's worth it. Because, again, I'm learning this stuff, and I'm like, you know what? Go and start sharing it. Start sharing it, getting more people. I'm going to repeat this syndicated line. Minimum qualification is 650 plus FICO score. No derogatory items, okay? Greater than 4 inquiries in 24 months. No new accounts in the last 6 months. So that's dealing with your credit profile. So make sure you can meet those requirements. But again, remember, you go through the training, and all you're doing is helping people, take advantage of this opportunities, right? Okay, so that's another one. There's another one I'm going to talk about. Okay, Robert Marshall, thank you for joining. Okay, some folks are just Thad Rosenau, appreciate you joining. Happy Easter. If you're celebrating Easter, hey, here's a reason. Well, what does that mean? Revival, folks. Revival. Okay? So let me let you know something else that I think you should be thinking about, right? Think about what it is that you want to achieve starting today through the end of the year, okay? Think about how often you get paid. If you're working a regular job, you got to wait 2 weeks to get paid, okay? The one benefit that I saw when I was scrolling through this program is how you get paid every week. You get paid every week, and when you become a financial services broker, you can also use the services that they offer. And I'm focusing on these loans right now. Did I talk about bridge loans? No, I haven't talked about bridge loans. Let me tell you about the bridge loans. Types of businesses: single family homes, duplexes. Oh, this is real estate heavy. Duplexes, triplexes, quadplexes, multifamily homes, which is 5+ units, condos, and townhouses. So if anybody's in real estate investment, that's what this one's for. But I'm gonna go through the program highlights. So the loan amounts of between 100,000 to 3 million. Wow. Minimum credits is 640. Rates are 10.99% to 12.99%. Points are 1 to 3%. Payments is monthly, interest only, no prepayment penalty. All right. Loan to purchase is up to 75%. Refi loan to value is up to 70%. Cash out refi loan to value up to 65%. Terms are 6 months, 12 months, and 18 months. Eligible loan types is purchase, refinance, cash out, refi. 3 to 5 days to close. Investment properties only. That's why I said, because when I looked at it, I said, this is strictly real estate investments. Okay, tap in. Kate, you appreciate you. We're talking about how you can become a financial services broker and test this out for 14 days with only $1, risk free. Okay, after that 14 days is over, there's a 129-day startup fee. Yep, and then $49 per month recurring. But let me tell you, this is what I think. Okay, remember, minimum qualifications do not guarantee approval. Okay, minimum qualification doesn't mean you're going to be approved. So just remember that we're not guaranteeing any approval. Okay, because each situation is different. Okay, now the next one I'm going to talk about is a Clara Gather. Welcome, user 46660710809. Welcome. Y'all can do me a quick favor, man. I'm not gonna keep talking if I don't start seeing some likes. I'm dropping some value right here, and nobody's liking, nobody's engaging. TikTok likes folks to engage. So when you engage, it's gonna push this content to more people so we can all learn together. We can all tap into this opportunity to help people get the funding that they need to go forward as financial services brokers, okay? Plus, you get paid every week. Every week, you're going to get paid for the efforts that you put through to help people. Remember, when you help people achieve their goals, you get your own reward, okay? By just put through to help people. Remember, when you help people achieve their goals, you get your own reward, okay? By just